the one which is half bone, or sometimes you will not get this bone, it will be whole, but still start from the bigger bone, because in the end you will get the bone closer and small. So start with the big bone. Alright, so whenever you are cleaning the lamb, just take care. This is the part of lamb shoulder, this part over here, this is the lamb shoulder part, this one. So you can pull it off by hand. So this is the lamb shoulder part, and this meat is of no use. So whenever you are removing fat, look, this fat is more, but when you come to the end, the fat percentage is low. So whenever you are removing the cap of this lamb rack, just go till here and then remove it after the portioning. So what you do, you follow it from here, just go slowly. We don't want the meat to come in between, we all want a bit of fat there. So you go straight, you go straight, you go straight. So look, I will stop here now, because after this there is no meat, there is only fat. So what I will do, I will take my knife like this and I will just remove this. I will just trim it off, this one. Okay, we will remove this meat later for staff food or something. So now let's start from here. So if you take this bone and you cut like this, the portion size might be less. So what you do, you take your knife cross like this and you remove one portion like this. But still you have one bone here, this one, this part, you have one bone. So what you do, you remove this excess bone from here. You remove this excess bone and you keep this small bone which is over here as a main bone. I will show you. So look, this is the part which we haven't cleaned. So what you can do, you can just trim it off by your knife like this. So whenever you have this small bone, what you do, make a cut, turn around, make the bone visible, and give this a portion like lamb. That's it. So this is how your meat should look. If you see there is any excess fat, you can trim it off by your knife. So this is one portion. You remove the excess meat. Then you take this knife, go across and straight. You trim it off again. You trim the fat which we don't need. You see here, just go with your knife. Just don't remove this fat in advance. While portioning, we can remove it. Okay? If you go here, you see this is cross. Just make it like this. It should look like a lamb chop. Your another portion is ready. And why we are going like this? Because the bone is like this. Once you go on the 4th, 5th bone, the bone start getting straight. So that time you can cut the meat straight. Like here, this bone is little bit on the left, but this is straight. So what we can do, we can go like this now. You cut off this meat, you give it a lamb, a trimming here, and it's already without the fat. Now we already have 3 pieces. From here we will try to take out 3 pieces. So what you do, again take 2 bone, hold your knife straight, go straight, 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 straight. How you remove this bone? You go take your knife like this, you hold it like this and just cut it off. That's it. Your another portion of lamb is ready. If you think this side is extra, trim it off from here. If you think it's on right side extra, trim it off. And this is the lamb steak. 4 piece. Here we will try to take out 2. So what you do, look, this 2 bone is closer. So you put your knife from here and till this in the center. Like this. Once you cut the meat, bone you can cut easily, no worries. This one, we give it a shape. Trim the fat, you take it out here. This one, I feel this bone is off center, this right bone. So what you do, you cut from top, like this, and you remove this bone also. That's it. So here, the one which is in the end, you will get a bit shorter meat. which you can keep in the center, like in one portion. I will show you how to make a portion. So from one rack we have removed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a thick part. So how you make a portion? I will keep this too big with this small, and this too big with this one. So this is how we will clean our lamb. We will try to keep the fat, and if you think the fat is extra, you can trim it off. Whenever you need, you take your knife like this and you trim it off with your knife like this. But don't trim off this meat because it holds your lamb fat. It holds your lamb fat and it affects your doneness. Alright, thank you.